bang, bang. Na me, landlord. Mr. Tom, I want to see you.
70 years old man.
Oga landlord, compliment of the season, sir.
Come, make I tell you, the rent wey you pay me ending of last year, e don expire.
Hey, Mr. Landlord, I beg, no vex. You know since when I pay you that my first rent. I never stay this house reach 11 months. Now from one problem to another problem. Well, my friend, that one no concern me. No be me send you make you go to sleep for prison.
God have mercy upon us.
I beg, just give me my money before New Year. Otherwise, Tom, you go leave my house.
70 years old man.
Hi. See as my landlord he talk to me anyhow. Hello, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. This Christmas no go end like this. I must take matters into my own hand. But my first things first, as a street king, now to fry one better dark corner go pound. Anybody will just dull anyhow in swata. Now to snatch in property.
I could have killed a lot.
Merry Christmas, Mr. John.
Oh, thank you very much, Sister Kate.
Correct. This place na correct spot. We're just dark and quiet. Oh, man, now to get patient too. I know say one person go door for here very soon.
Oh, baby, it's not like that. It's not like that. I've been very busy. You know how crazy the economy has been this year.
Correct. This girl be like easy target. Mom, make I implement my signature move. Snatch, grab, and run away with it.
This man.
Hey, people,
God
help,
have mercy upon us.
Native, push on.
Run, no.
Hey, God, oh, this man kill me if they catch me. I don't nearly reach house. But I know if you go out, if I go outside, they will catch me. If I enter bus, go another street.
No too much.
Drive fast, I beg, I did in a hurry. Come, okay, who be you? Hey, this damn fight go run enter, oh, hey, God.
Hey, boss, wait. One thing just run enter inside your motor now. Hey, thank God, say my police motor you go enter. Your own don't finish.
Oh yeah, my friend, come out that thing for your Facebook. We know who you be.
Jesus is Lord. This man.
Mr. Tom, now you again. For this Christmas season, you don't start.
Officer, I beg, make una no vex. Na misunderstanding, na because of the weather, that make me cover my face.
I beg, officer, don't mind this guy. This man a thief. We don't dey pursue him.
No worry, madam. All of us they go station like this.
Hey, God. So na station I'll go to my Christmas and New Year. Which kind of life be all these ones? Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.